Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Corrado here out in the backyard enjoying flowers and plants on this nice gorgeous day. Hey, remember when we talked about capillary action and plants actually have that going on inside the stem all the way to the flower tips of the flowers, and there's a really good reason why that happens and we need it for our flowers. So I'm going to show you something really cool we're going to do today. And let's do double duty on this. Let's also make Mother's Day cards for someone in our life who's special, all right? And it doesn't necessarily have to be your mom. You can make a card for anybody and show them this. So I made one. Let me show you what mine looks like. I have some little flowers at home. I wrote Happy Mother's Day on there, so I put them on there. But inside there's a surprise. We're gonna make a flower and we're gonna fold it up and put it inside. So they can't see it until you explain what it needs and why it's gonna be so pretty. So let's get started. So let's get our stuff together and make one. I have to have scissors. You may need some crayons, some paper. Remember, you want to have something that you're actually going to make your card with. So what we're going to do first is I want you to draw a flower. So if you draw a flower that has a center first, then you can know where your petals are going to be. So we're going to make petals that we can fold in half. Go down to our center. So this is what I drew. And now you're going to color it in. And after you color it in, you can color it with different colors. Color it with any color you want. Then you're going to cut it out. So once you have it cut out, you're going to have something that looks like this. Yours may look a little different than mine, and that's okay. So I want you to make sure you fold your tip down to the center. Fold every single one down to the center. Once you figure them out, you've got them all down to the center like this. Crease them so they stay. Yep, I'm outside, so you're hearing all kinds of noise out here. Then I'm going to put it in my card. Now remember, I had my Happy Mother's Day card already made that I showed you. I'm actually going to open it up and I'm going to tape it on here. Put a piece of tape that you roll so you can take it off, and they can put it in water to see how water uses its forces of cohesion to actually make the flower open. So make sure you use a piece of tape. You can make an extra one just so you don't have to take it out of the card if they don't want to, and then you can show them how it's done. So we're going to go in the kitchen and I'm going to show you what to do with it after it's made, so you can show them what you know about water needing to make life happen, and it actually helps the flower open. All right, meet you in the kitchen. So I have a small plate that holds a little bit of water, and I'm going to put the flower in so we can see capillary action working. I'm going to set it in. Whoa, look at how fast that works. That is awesome. Then you can actually take it out and put it on a paper towel to dry to use it again. Did you know that plants need water just like you and me? They get it through their roots, you know, and it's something we can't see. When it gets to the top of the plant and to a budding flower, it does something special and shows its special power. I hope everybody enjoyed, and I can't wait to see the cards you make and the special flowers you make for your special person. See you next time.